Morning, everyone. This morning I wanted to demonstrate the testing of the emergency gear extension in a Lancair. The test of the system is a little different than an actual emergency. The procedures are the same, except that we do the same procedure at a higher airspeed. The idea there is that we want to stress the system, see what kind of margin we have. The system is primarily gravity free fall, but there are 3 springs that help push the gear to its final position and hold the over-center links over-center. The nose gear has a gas strut such as this, and it has to work the hardest in that it has to push the gear out into the airstream. And that's why the higher airspeed is more stressing on the system. First thing we want to do in the procedure is to pull the circuit breaker from the system. I have 2 circuit breakers, one for the power to the motor and one for the electronics that control the system. Some aircraft might only have 1 breaker. I'm going to pull the nose up a little bit and pull the power back, get down to 120. With the breakers out, we can put the gear handle in the down position. Nothing will happen because we've removed power from the system. Now once we've reached 120 knots, what we're going to do is pull the dump valve, which is located usually down here on the wheel well. And when I do that, we're going to be watching the gear indications to see if they respond and how quickly. So here we go, I'm going to pull the dump valve. And you notice how the nose gear was down very quickly. So that means our gas spring is quite healthy. So now all we do is close the dump valve. We'll push the power back in. And you notice the transition light came on just for a second. All it did was pressurize the system in the down direction. Now we can go ahead and retract the gear. And that was it. So that's how you test the emergency gear extension at a higher airspeed to see what the health of the gas spring is.